This review is of Watkins all-natural handcrafted original gourmet baking vanilla with pure vanilla extract with other natural flavors. Extra rich, non-GMO, awarded gold medal for highest quality. I'm wondering how many years ago that was. It's kosher, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. It's also gluten-free, no artificial flavors or colors. All ingredients are naturally derived. And I'm not sure what exactly that suggests, because some people play very fast and loose with the definitions when it comes to food. Ingredients. Here's our classic chocolate chip cookie recipe. This is a low alcohol product. And there's that. And there are no nutrition facts, of course. Is my lens dirty? No, not really. It's just the way I'm sitting. Okay, let's give it a try. No safety seal. Wonder if my daughter used this when she was baking yesterday. Hold on. Since this is not pure, I thought I'd find out what a blend tastes like. So it's number one ingredient is water. So I'm expecting a watery flavor. Well, it may be low alcohol, but there's still plenty of alcohol in here. And it's pretty strong and pretty tasty. I would say, however, that the amount of alcohol in here distorts the actual way you perceive the vanilla, making it seem like, because of the strength of the alcohol, that it is greater than it actually is. So, but it is nice. I'm putting some in my oatmeal. See how that tastes, although I expect it'll just disappear. But yeah, that's pretty good. I'll give it an 8. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.